Hello there, everybody, and come on in. This is Caldera Creations. I make wreaths for holidays. Today we are working with some mesh, some big, long mesh. I don't know the size, and my funky wreath, but we are going to make something spectacular with that. We are working with some candy canes. We also got a bell. We got a variety of ornaments, so cute, some little elfy legs, and we got Mr. Santa Claus's hat and his mitten, which I put on some caboodles because I'm just gonna stick them in my wreath, but I will recycle and take them back out. Okay, and we also got a variety of some Christmas bulbs, and we got some poinsettas and a little boogaloo. Okay, with these things that I purchased all at the famous $1.25 store. Okay, let's get this started. Thanks for coming to my channel again. Look at this. Oh, my funky wreath, but watch out. I already inserted everything right here. We're just working our way with this. I don't even know about the size. 10, 20 something. Okay, then we're just going to work our way with this. My son's being silly. He knows I'm on camera. Okay, we're just going to work our way like this. How's everybody doing these holidays? Hello, Christmas. But I missed the snow. Well, it does not snow. Okay, look at that, everybody. We got that. Just kind of pop them out to cover up the funkiness. Okay, let's get this started. First things first, let's get on these beautiful ornaments. Let's get some of these. LP legs, the LP legs. Gonna sneak it in here with this wire. I'll just put it in here. There we go. Got another one. Let's do this. Snowman's his little hand. Okay, we're gonna get the hand up in here. His mitten, Mr. Santa Claus's mitten. Let's get his hat. Ay, ay, ay. How's that looking, everybody? So great, huh? The little things can do. My son, you just being silly. Trying to get this video out. I just said, oh, yeah. Yes, a lot of nice things. Some of these in there. Get wild with these Christmas balls. I put the bottle sticks in the back. There's cup. Ay, 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 mister. There. Da 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 da. Do 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 do. Got another one right there. You know what? I'm gonna pin this up so we can just get this visualization going on. Woo! Ay ay ay. Stop. Oh my. There we go. Let me fix the camera for you, buddy. I think I gotta put this down too. Excuse me. Bam! Woo! Look at that. Okay. Okay. Let's get the rest of these. See how's it looking? Let me step back and visualize. Ay ay ay! This guy. Fell out. Mr. Santa Claus hat. You could glue them on, but like me, I'm just gonna redo my my wreath. Excuse me, I can't even talk. There. Then we're gonna get our bell on. Let's get this bell going. How's it looking, everybody? Let's get this bell going. There it is. Okay, now let's get these poinsettias. And I think we got it going on. Here we go. La da 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 da. How's it looking, everybody? Okay, with that said, I think we got it once again, everybody. Thanks for coming to my channel. And if you like my video, got any ideas or any inspiration, subscribe, like, and share. With that said, happy holidays, everybody. I finally got it out. Woohoo! Thank you. Oh, yeah, look at that. Just step back, visualize, create, and enjoy. This is your Wreath, and it's a special Wreath because you made it. Happy holidays once again. See ya.